There is one power of forgiveness in anybody. And that power of forgiveness in us has come from Lord only. So that Lord who's seeing my actions, he is little angry also. Yesterday I said one point, he saw my actions and he saw my actions of many births. He saw. Somewhere I took loan and didn't give and declared myself bankrupt. Bank money is also somebody's actually. Government money is not government, it is somebody's money. And God saw that. And his eyes big. He just took his arrow means he is about to use somebody to give me some kind of pain. Okay. I shouted on somebody and somebody was very sad whole day because of my words. He said, okay, now I'll tell you. Parents, I never said thank you. He said, okay, I'll tell you. Hundreds of things we do that are not very right in our life. We think we'll go scot-free, but here he is saying no, you won't go scot-free. But that person is forgotten. Somebody said to me, if we do mistake in front of somebody, it is very dangerous. When nobody sees, it is fine. I said, why? That person will tell to everybody, God won't tell. God has 100 ways to tell to anybody. Now let us now see. I will now repeat from the beginning. We'll go up to 6th mantra. Adhyavo Chadidvakta. Please repeat after me. Shall we say from the beginning or 6th also? Beginning. Only thing, if it completes not, you are responsible now. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Om Namaste Rudra Manyava Uto Daishave Namaha. Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bahubhyam Mudate Namaha. Yada Ishu Shivatama Shivam Bhuvate Dhanuhu. Shiva Sharavyaya Tavataya no Rudramridaya. Yate Rudra Shiva Tanura Ghora Papakashini. Tayanas Tanua Shantamaya Girishanta Bichakashihi. Yamishum Girishante Haste Bhibarshastave. Shivam Giritratam Kuru Mahigam Si Purusham Jagata. Shivena Vachasa Tva Girisha Chadamasi. Yatha Nasarvamid Jagadayakshmagam Sumana Asata. Adhyavo Chadadi Vakta Prathamo Devyo Bhishaka. Ahigamscha Sarvaan Jambhyam Sarvaascha Yatu Dhanyaha. We were seeing 6th mantra, if you remember, this is 6th. Adhyavo Chadidavak. Adhyavo Chad is a verb, it means may you espouse. What? You become my Adhivakta. You remember that? Adhivakta means you become lawyer, you please support me what I say. Dekho, this is the prayer. Prayer is the biggest power in this world. Remember I said 3 P's, if you remember. So 3 P's were prayer, praise and prayashchit. And Adhyavo Chadidakta, please support me. Like Bhagwan supported Arjun. Please be on my side. So there, let me tell you, there are 2 Lords. One Lord is Karm Phaldata. He gives the fruit of action without seeing. But other Lord is the one whom I have praised. He is not only Karm Phaldata, he is Kripa Phaldata also. And when he's Kripa Phaldata, he is not same. He is not same, like you are not same for everybody. You will support the one who has been with you, who has done something for you. So you are for him now. You will take his side. They say he takes his side. They say he is a soft corner. So Adhyavocha Adivakta. Adivakta. You become my Adivakta. You become, please support me. If I do my action, any action, please be with me. Remember I said, unless God touches, action won't get a dazzle. Therefore Bhagavan says, Yad yad vibhuti mat sattvam Shrimad urjitam eva tattad ev avagachatvam mama tejomsha sambhavam. Wherever dazzling performance is there, it is mine. अरे लो, सबका क्रेडिट खुद ही ले लिया. Yes. Everybody's credit God takes. Actually, it is His credit only. We only take His credit. You know why? Tell me why? Because all powers are His. We don't have any power. If it was our power, we won't lose it. But power of listening goes away. Power of sight goes away. Power of thinking goes every day. Power of walking goes away. Power of digestion goes away, as you will know that. Power of speech goes away. Power of hand goes away. If it was our power, it wouldn't have gone. When the batsman comes to bat, everybody is thinking whether he will hit or not. He also is not clear. Because his power of batting is not his. And therefore he is forced to resign, forced to, retire. They don't want to retire, but they're not performing. Power is not there now. It was their power, it means sure, well, I'll make 100 today. And in which match 100 was required, could not make 100. When it was required not to rain, it rained. World Cup. You know whom I am talking about? When it was required to rain, it didn't rain. He अजीब सी है सब, उसका ही power है. And little thing he can do, all power can go. We are not, it is not our power. Shakti belongs to Shaktishali. Jeev does not have a power. We have borrowed power. Talking is difficult sometimes. Listening is difficult sometimes. Okay. Memory loss is there. You please give your power to me, in short. Therefore, same Arjun who could do anything, his Gandhi failed one day. Same Arjun who could, Deva Vismapayohi, even Devatas got surprised, seeing his power. He couldn't fight with the tribals. And his Gandhi was ineffective. And that's what it is very important to fail in life. Sometimes nothing succeeds as failure. Because you know that it was not mine. You please give me your power, O Lord. Adivakta. Prathamo, you are the first. Daivyo. Daivyo means you are the Dev. And Bishak. Bishak means he is a Vaidya. Bishaje Sarv. Huh? Bishaje the Lokanam. हाँ दक्षिणामूर्ति नमः चलो हाँ निधये सर्व विद्यानां विषजे भवरोगिणां गुरुवे सर्वलोकानां दक्षिणामूर्ति. Bishak means doctor. He is a very good doctor. Means what? First is physical doctor. He only can treat. Therefore you chant Mahamrityunjay. But he is a mental doctor also. He places certain people to take my negativity. So all situations are a treatment. Some is ego treatment. He places somebody who attacks our ego only. You feel very hurt. But somebody he has placed So all situations are, you are in an operation theater. You are too attached. He will do something that that person you are attached, he will go away or he will not respond. ये treatment हो शुरू हो गया. And then you realize this is what I got. He said, give your heart and see what happens to you. Well, I thought I was very intelligent. I totally failed in this subject. Very good. So Bhishak means one who gives treatment every time. So all situation is nothing but they are attacking some negativity. Situation is a negativity enhancer. So Lord does not bother you are sad or not. He said whether this problem has gone or not in him. So he is the taker of our rag, dvesh, kam, krodh. Naradji in Ramayana, he went, I'm not going to the whole story. He went to the kingdom. You remember the Naradji? That Vishwamohini. He said, give me your face, O Lord. But he said one more line. Jahi prakar hoi hit mora kareu subek das mein tora. Please do which and Bhagwan gave the face of monkey yellow. A treatment ho gaya unka. Bhishak bana diya. But important thing, others could not see. Vishwamohini did not come towards where he was sitting. Because who will come to monkey? And then after that, when he got very angry, who? Naradji got very angry and he went towards Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu again went with this. Actually, his wife was same. What's her name? Vishwamohini. Khub shrap diya. And Shivji told him that you should not go and tell your glory that I conquered Kam. And then Naradji thought that I conquered Kam, Krodh all. He only conquered Kam, didn't conquer Krodh, therefore there is some jealousy. And Bhagwan Vishnu showed him that you don't have only Kam now, you have become all-rounder in negativity. You have Kam, Krodh, Matsarya, Moh, Mad, everything you have now. Ab bolo. Shrap he gave, and when he removed that curse, then he said, I returned in. Bole, no, it's fine now. He said, Shivji told you. He said, then I'm repenting a lot. So every situation is a treatment center. It shows that where I have to improve. It shows who is God. It shows what is world. It shows who is close to you. There are a lot of mirrors around us. Well, I did so much for him and this is what I got. Why you are thinking you did so much for him only? And then Naradji was asked, Jahu japau Shankar Satnama Hoi yahi turat Hriday Bishrama. Bole, go to Lord Shiva and do his job now. Then only you will be quiet. That is called Bhishak. Very different kind of doctor he is. Acha, haan. Then Ahigamscha. Ahigamsh means snake. Snake. And Yatu Dhanya. Some spirits are there. Some people get spirit. Oh. Yes, some bhoot pret comes. You don't know that. Well, I don't believe in that. Then you see, okay, you tell me that I'll send somebody. So, Ahigamscha, Yatu Dhanya, Sarvascha, Jambayan. Jambayan means please remove all that is spirits, etc. around me. Let me not be influenced by any spirit or something is troubling me. You know that Dadaji is there, he comes. Who is no more yesterday? I was there in the night. What happened? Somebody put the blanket on me. Who? Nobody was in the room. I was feeling hot, but somebody put blanket. I thought I may have put the blanket. By mistake, I forgot. Then I heard some sound was on the glass. Then I opened, the spoon was moving in the glass automatically. Because before sleeping, I used to take milk and I had kept the milk. My God. Dadaji, please go. कैसे हैं ना हम लोग? How much we love a person with the body, and same person comes without the body. कितना डर लगेगा? Supposing I leave the body, and I come in your room in the night, and I chant, oh. Then you will be somebody, what is this? Amiji, please go. जाइए यहाँ. डर लग रहा है. So here they are praying to God. Let no spirits be there.